Assalamualaikum, welcome back. Today another new earning video review. Apps download link in video description. First time, click now contact icon. Need sign up your account, click here Google. Okay, select your any Gmail account, automatically login your account, login successfully. Then click here first task, daily check-in, 1 day complete. Then click here next day. Okay, coins earning, then click here continue. Second work spin. Okay, then click here spin, 25 spin daily earning. Then waiting now 10 coins earning. Then click here okay. Third number work, click here gifts box icon, open now gifts box. Okay, 11 coins earning. Okay, ad showing now. If you want to earn more coins, then click here games. Okay, games are very amazing games and very easy games playing and unlimited earning. Puzzle games. Okay, I'm game playing start. Okay, one level complete, 100 coins free, double coins earning ad showing now. Okay, then click here continue button. Okay, agree now, start games. Okay, play now. Second number level complete, 80 coins earning, video ad watching now, double bonus coins earning. Then click here continue. Okay, I click now PayPal icon, withdraw method I am showing now. Okay, your need 10 level games complete. Okay, already gain 10 level complete and your account unlock now. Then click here unlock now button. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Total earning 1085 coins earning. Then click here invitation event. Okay, use my referral code. Okay, 30% lifetime referral commission. Then click here PayPal icon, only 10,000 coins 60 cent earning, 1,50,000 coins $12 and Gcash only Philippine user available, and payeer international payment method available, INR Dana. Okay, TRX withdraw available any country. Thanks for watching my video. 100% trusted and 100% legit earning app.